Okay, I got a Wii U here that wouldn't power on and didn't show a red light at all. And I'm not super familiar with Wii U's, but I spent some time tracking down voltage rails, and I'll show you what I found. Now, right here, this is the connector for the ribbon that goes to the front panel. And on this pin right here, we're supposed to have 3.3 volts, and this system doesn't. In addition, there should be 3.3 here, 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 and it's not present anywhere there. I also know that 3.3 appears here, here, down this line here, right here. And at one point I tried to just jump a wire and shortcut, and that, didn't do anything. So I went back and I really decided that this line comes here, goes here, and then here. So I put the meter in continuity mode and thought, what does this connect to? And I all over the place, and I found out it goes to this chip on this third leg there. Here, let's scoot this over. On the third one there. So if the one chip is over here, all the way around this corner, and on this third one, I had continuity from this leg to over here. Now, what I found also with a donor board is that 3.3 volts is supposed to be coming out on this leg of this chip, and I don't have 3.3 volts coming out on this chip when I have power supply connected. So my working theory right now is to replace this chip with the one from my donor board. So let's proceed with that and see if we get this guy to power on or not. Okay, let's put this replacement on. Alright. I think that looks lined up. Kind of hard to tell with the shadowing, actually. Okay. Guess I should have had better lighting. That might be a little bit off. I'm going to check. Okay, I nudged it over a little, but there's no overlapping, and I'm going to roll with it. Let's see if we get power where we need to. Okay. I got the faceplate back on the system. I just need to plug in some power. All right, this is the MOT. Look at that. I got a red light. And I'm going to push it. And it's turning blue. That's pretty good. All right, we found a solution. Hopefully you learned something there. Thanks for tuning in.